In this video, I'll show you how to turn off your microphone of your Quest 3 in case you don't want anyone to hear what you're saying or whatever is happening around you. You will still be able to hear what other people are saying. It's just that they won't be able to hear you. So how to do this? You need to go into settings over here. You need to press the Meta logo on the right side controller, then go settings. Usually when you open settings, you have this menu appearing, and you need to go in two different places to do this. First place is in system. Go here, then go under sound is the second option here, sound. And then you're going to see mute microphone. Right now it's not activated, but if you want to mute your microphone, go ahead and click on this. I won't do it because if I do this, you won't hear me because I'm screen recording right now. If I activate this, you won't hear any sound. So go ahead and turn this on. Then go back and under apps over here, go here. You're going to see over here, microphone, tap microphone. And these are all the apps you have installed on your Quest 3. Every single toggle over here that is blue, it means that the app has access to your mic. If you want to turn off all of them, make sure all of them are turned off. It's true that we turned off the mic in settings, but if you want 100% sure that your mic won't be heard while you're gaming, turn off every single one of these. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.